Good day everyone, I'm Teacher May and I'm here to teach you about science. It's science time! Happy learning! Plants, like animals, are everywhere. You can see them in the countryside or in your backyard. They are also living things. They have an special needs and life activities similar to those of animals. Today's topic is all about reproduction of non-flowering plants. Plants, like animals, are also classified as a plant kingdom. Known as Kingdom Plantae, is divided into smaller groups. Scientists group the plants to make it easier to study and learn about them. Plants are grouped by using similarities and structures. Plants are grouped according to the structures of the roots, stems, seeds, leaves, and flowers. Plants are generally grouped into vascular plants and non-vascular plants. Non-vascular plants are also known as bryophytes. They are the simplest of all land-dwelling plants. Non-vascular plants are always found in a damp and shady places. They cannot carry water from the ground to the aerial parts of the plants. Because of their limited range of terrestrial habitats, non-vascular plants have never dominated much of the Earth's landscape. Non-vascular plants appear leafy but lack of true stem, leaves, and roots. Because they lack vascular tissue, most are limited in size. Most are not larger than 20 centimeters tall. The lack of vascular tissue also means that they are generally found in a moist habitat. Although these three groups of plants are all vascular, they are not actually closely related. Examples are mosses, liverworts, and hornworts. Mosses are the bryophytes that grow alone in the ground. They are erect and with short leafy stem and anchored to the ground by rhizoids. While hornworts have a complex, simple spore-bearing structure and undifferentiated thallus. While in our liverworts, they are called as liverworts because their thallus look like the lobes of liver. Unlike mosses, liverworts lie horizontally on the ground. They can reproduce by means of spores released from capsules. Let's proceed to vascular plants. Vascular plants, also known as trichophytes or higher plants, have vascular tissue or tube inside their leaves, stems, and roots. Trachea refers to conducting tissue, while phyte refers to plant. Vascular plants are distinguished by two primary characteristics. First, in vascular plants, the principal generation phase is the sporophyte, which usually diploid with 2 sets of chromosomes per cell. In vascular plants, they have vascular tissue which circulate resources through the plants, which lack these specialized conducting tissues and are restricted to relatively small sizes. We have here the different types of vascular plants. We have spore-bearing plants. This group of vascular plants produce spores as their reproductive structure. The ferns thrive well in moist forest areas. The group of ferns includes ferns, club mosses, and horsetails. Fern belong to the simple vascular plants. It produces spores. The fronds structure is often curled or fiddleheads. As the fronds grow, they uncurl. The spores begin to appear as the fern fronds become fully grown. The leaves of the ferns are used for packing fruits and vegetables. Some people use the young fern fronds of some varieties as food. The trunks of some of the fern trees are used as construction materials. We have also cone-bearing plants. Cone-bearing plants are vascular plants with unprotected seeds known as gymnosperm. A pine tree is the best example of this group. It is a plant with a woody stem and a needle-like structure. When we are talking of gymnosperms, they came from a Greek word gymnospermos, which means naked seed. They are non-flowering seed plants which produce naked seed not enclosed in a fruit. They are among the largest plants. Conifers are examples of non-flowering seed plants. That's all for now. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and God bless.